In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in on the Apple Store. Whether you're looking to upgrade your device or simply want to clear out some tech clutter, trading in can be a worthwhile option. Let's break down the process to make it as straightforward as possible. To get started, you'll want to visit Apple's trade-in page. This can be done either online from the comfort of your home or by physically visiting a nearby Apple Store. The trade-in process is designed to be convenient and user-friendly, regardless of which approach you choose. Once you've reached the trade-in page, look for the section labelled Find Your Trade-in Value. It's typically located on the upper right of the page. This feature is dedicated to helping you discover the potential trade-in value of your device, giving you a clear idea of what you can expect to earn. Now you'll need to select the specific device you intend to trade in. Apple's system includes a range of options to accommodate different types of devices, ensuring that you're covered whether you've got the latest model or an older gadget. As you continue through this process, you'll be prompted to answer a series of questions about your device. These questions are crucial because they help Apple assess the condition and operational status of your gadget. Be honest and precise in your responses. This ensures you receive an accurate trade-in estimate. After completing these questions, you'll be presented with the current trade-in value for your smartphone or gadget. This step is exciting because it quantifies the worth of your device, giving you a tangible figure that can be applied toward future purchases or credits. Once you've seen what your device is worth, it's time to consider how you'd like to apply this value. Apple offers flexibility, allowing your trade-in value to be credited towards any payment option. For instance, if you choose to purchase a new Apple product, the value will be credited to your payment method once Apple receives and evaluates your trade-in device. Finally, Apple takes it a step further by mailing you a trade-in kit. This kit simplifies the process of sending your device back to Apple. It's important to note that you must ship your trade-in device within 14 days of receiving the kit to ensure the transaction is completed smoothly. And there you have it. Trading in with Apple is designed to be simple and efficient. By following these steps, you can easily determine your device's value and decide how to use it towards your next tech purchase or upgrade. Thanks for watching and happy trading.